Are you trying to decide between Routenote and Onerpm? You are not alone. Both platforms help you distribute your music, but they have some key differences. Routenote and Onerpm both allow artists to get their music on major streaming services. They make it easier for musicians to reach fans worldwide. But how do they compare? Let's start with Routenote. This platform is known for its flexibility. You can choose between a free option or a paid plan. The free plan takes a cut of your earnings, while the paid plan lets you keep all your money. Routenote also offers a user friendly interface, making it simple to upload tracks. Now, let's talk about ONRPM. This service is slightly different. ONRPM focuses on providing tools for marketing and promotion. They offer various features to help artists grow their audience. ONRPM also has a unique payment structure, which can be more appealing for some musicians. When it comes to key differences, Routenote is great for those who want a straightforward approach. If you prefer more control over your earnings, Routenote might be the way to go. On the other hand, Onerpm is better for artists looking for marketing support and robust promotional tools. In terms of features, Routenote shines with its simplicity. You can easily upload music and get it out there. Onerpm, however, offers more advanced tools for analytics and audience engagement. As for pricing, Routenote has a free option, while Onerpm typically requires a fee upfront. This can influence your choice depending on your budget. In the end, if you want an easy to use platform, go with Routenote. But if you need marketing tools and support, Onerpm is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparison.